folks, Sam here. I've been working on the XR10. It's come quite a long way since my last video. I think the last video I did was the shocks and possibly the links. I don't remember. But I have since built the chassis and got all the electronics in place. I have yet to solder the motor to the ESC. But the ESC is in place, the servo's in place, the receiver's in the box, chassis is all put together, front axle, the shocks, the links, they're all hooked up. So tonight I am going to start working on the rear axle, putting that on to the chassis and soldering the motor and to the ESC wires. And that's it for now. I get that done, it's gonna start really to look like a crawler. Alright, so I'm gonna let the soldering iron heat up. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how far I came today. I got the electronics figured out pretty well. They're all squared away and pretty well tucked away neatly, which is not easy to do on this kit. So the front motor is soldered properly. It's going forward, thank goodness, when you pull the trigger, and it goes in reverse when you release. So yep, tomorrow we'll work on the back spider web, and I think I'll be rolling soon. Get those HPIs.
What?